Hi guys, welcome back to Mandala Mondays. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be talking a little about why you should start your YouTube channel, even if nobody watches. So let's dive in. Passion and creativity are what truly drive us to create content in the first place. Yet so many of us get caught up in the idea that we need to have a certain number of views or subscribers to be successful. I think it's time we shift our focus back to what really matters. When you're just starting out on YouTube, it's easy to get caught up in the numbers game. You check your views every hour, you stress why you're not getting more engagement, and you start to wonder if you're even good enough. You might even start to compare yourself to other creators, wondering why they're getting more attention than you. It's a vicious cycle that can quickly suck the joy out of creating content. The fear of not being successful can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in it. You start to question whether you're wasting your time, whether anyone even cares about what you're creating, and whether you should just give up altogether. It's a heavy burden to carry, and it's one that can quickly lead to burnout. The pressure to constantly produce content that resonates with your audience can be exhausting. You start to feel like you're in a constant state of judgment where every video is a make or break moment. It's a lot of pressure, and it can be hard to deal with. But what if I told you that there was a different way? What if I told you that you can create content without worrying about the numbers at all? It's not about ignoring them completely, but about shifting your focus to what really matters: the quality of your content and your personal growth as a creator. When you focus on creating high quality content, you start to see the world in a different light. You start to see the beauty in the little things, the importance of storytelling, and the power of connection. You start to realize that creating content isn't just about the views, it's about the impact you can have on people's lives. One of the most important things I've learned on my own very fresh YouTube journey is the importance of being authentic. When you focus on being true to yourself and your audience, you start to see the magic happen. You start to attract people who resonate with your message, and you start to build a community that truly cares about what you're creating. You find your people. I remember initially starting creating content, I was very focused on getting views, but I didn't even think about the quality of my videos. Or I thought about the quality, but I would always, and still do, very much so, doubt myself. I was churning out videos, 1, 2 a day, hoping that anyone would watch them. But it wasn't until I slowed down, I started focusing on the little things, and I started to see real growth. Created content for the sake of creating content is one of the most liberating feelings in the world. You start to see the world as a blank canvas, just waiting for you to create something beautiful. You start to see the possibilities, the opportunities, and the potential. The journey of creating content is so much more important than the numbers. It's about the growth, the learning, and the evolution as a creator. It's about the connections you make, the people you inspire, and the lives you touch. The lives you touch. In conclusion, starting a YouTube channel without the pressure of views is incredibly liberating. It allows you to focus on what really matters: the quality of your content and your personal growth as a creator. Remember, the journey is so much more important than the destination. YouTube for me, as it's been for the last few weeks, has been quite a safe haven of just building and growth slowly, seeing, learning, being inspired. And I want to say there's something about YouTube and this app that I feel like possibly the other apps don't have. And that is, when you are on YouTube, ultimately, every time you will learn something and you come away feeling positive. Whereas I feel sometimes on other social medias, it might not have the same effect. And there's a liberation with YouTube when it comes to create what you will, when you will, and just see who comes and joins you. And that will be your people found. I want to thank you for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. 1, what's been your biggest struggle when it comes to creating content on YouTube? And 2, have you started yet? Start now. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Please let me know what kind of videos you would like, or what kind of videos you are enjoying on my channel. And see you in the next video. Be kind to yourselves.